Tom, we've been on our lovely beach walk today.
Have.
We've got the dog.
We've got the dog, Louis.
The dog's here.
Yeah.
So for friends that haven't been on this beach walk, you need to come to the next one. I assume we're coming back to the beach, but
Yes,
this
we
could
are.
probably turn into something that we'll go to different places across the northeast, I would imagine.
I think so. Makes sense. We're blessed with amazing walks in the northeast, aren't we? So be rude not to.
Yeah. So get involved, get signed up, and we'd love to see you in the next one.
Yeah.